What's up, guys? Welcome, Crypto FUD. Let's jump right into this. All right, so just a quick video on Vault. I know I haven't came out with any content in the last few days. I've really been just kind of waiting to see what the market exactly is doing. And we've really, the market as a whole has been looking pretty good. Bitcoin's currently sitting right under 28,500. The altcoins, a lot of the altcoins, some of them are rallying, and a lot of them, just like Vault, really aren't doing much. And we've been in this situation before in the last like month or two, where we really see where there's just like it's almost like it's boring, right? But at the end of the day, these are long term plays. Things aren't going to happen overnight, especially projects like this. So just what I'm saying. I bear with the process of a long term investment and just kind of having patience and just waiting. With that being said, right now, we sit Volt at around 14. We've been consolidating around this area. We've been really I'll zoom in a minute, but we really been sitting at around like 13.7, 13.8. We did dip down to like 13.4, I think it was like a few days ago or like a week ago. But we've really been hugging this this fib line right here, this point 0.5 at around 14, 13.9. And I have this zoomed out. This is like the last like 6 months, 8 months right here chart, right? All this that you can see. And if you see where we're at right now, we've done this before. We've done this before right here. We did it right here, and now we're doing it right here. And normally what's happening is it's setting up for a run. Is the run going to be up? Is the run going to be down? Well, with the market the way it looks right now, I'm gonna guess that we're probably gonna, and hindsight's 50-50. We can come back and we're gonna say, all right, well, you said it was gonna. I'm thinking it's gonna go up. I'm thinking that we're gonna bounce. We're gonna consolidate a little bit more. We might need a small dip, or like I've been saying, what I really want to see is a dip down to this support that we've had at the 618. And this is where we basically been, it's like our takeoff spot, the 12.5. We bounce off this 12.5, and it's like the buyers just come in and it just shoots it up each time. And if you see, when we were in this channel that we're pretty much in right now, that's what we did. We bounced down at the 618 at around 12.5, a little bit below, and that's when we basically went back to this channel. We bounced real fast back to this channel, and that's when we started taking our shot up, and we almost made a new local high. We still have not been able to topple that 19, but we did hit 18, 18.5 pretty much. And from there on, we really have been, we tried again at this spot, but we really haven't. It's been real just stagnant. I wouldn't even say a downward movement, but it's just been real stagnant. And like I said at the beginning of the video, it's been real boring. A lot of times when this happens, we're setting up. We're setting up for a run. Again, like I said, I wouldn't be mad if we could just bounce down here at the 618 at around 12.5, and then we take off. If we're going to maybe stay in this area for a little bit longer and then take off, so be it. But I'm actually, I've been waiting to pull the trigger and just add. So I would love to see this 12.5 play out again so we can bounce. But other than that, it's like I keep saying, it's just really not much is going on, and that's why I haven't. It's been like, if you look, it's been like I think 3 or 4 days since I've come out with a Volt video, because there's really not much going on right now with Volt, which is not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing at all. And I always tell a lot of people, I'm like, when it starts getting real boring is when you really have to just, you brace for it. You should, if everybody's like just so bored with the project and nothing's going on. And I don't mean the fundamentals. I just mean with the charts. It's getting just so boring. It's just every day is the same thing. It's like we're bouncing 2, 3, 4% in the same range. That's when people are just accumulating. That's accumulation zone right there, because eventually it's just going to take that big buy, and it's just going to start a momentum of where we're going to shoot up. It's not a question is if we're going to top this local high right here at 19. It's just when is it going to happen? Are you going to have the patience to wait for it? That's pretty much what it's going to be. And I think everybody in the Volt community, they know this is a long-term play. I think everybody that was pretty much that bought in down here, that was in just for the quick ride, they've pretty much sold off, most of them. So I think right now we just have a bunch of long-term hodlers that are sitting right now and just waiting for their chance, to see these all-time highs, and it will come. So we'll leave it there. I promise, as soon as some things happen, with Volt and all the other the coins that I'm following on this channel, as soon as something big starts happening again, I will make sure to come out with just constant content. But I hate to just keep coming out with content and just be like, all right, we're still at the same number here. Or what are we gonna do? It's like I want to bring you guys that excitement. So I just want to come out here and just tell you guys, it's boring right now. This is the perfect time, not financial advice, but to be accumulating. Don't put your guard down, because things, when they start moving, they're gonna move so fast. And you don't want to look back and be like, man, I had the opportunity to buy at this number, and now it's freaking 10x up. You know, you don't want to feel like that. So make sure you guys make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. That's the main thing. Subscribe to the channel so you guys can get instant alerts whenever I am coming out with videos. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful night.